Many of you have heard me over the last several years talking about the key innovations with cognitive solutions. But today, it's my distinct privilege to highlight for you that the work that customers are doing to deploy these innovations and, more importantly, to see the business outcomes that they are now able to realize. Now, just a quick note, because we've had such an awesome session, we're moving into the grittier part of the supply chain, where things are made, there are construction sites, things are moved, and you're storing them in a warehouse. And so the images you're going to see are about material handling equipment and construction and the forklift. And you know what? The pictures aren't going to be as beautiful as what you saw, but in the right light, and if you squint in the right way, they're just as beautiful. You know, beauty's in the eye of the beholder and all. So just wanted to set that expectation. Okay, now that I've done that, let's start with manufacturing planning and execution. You don't need me to tell you that the manufacturing supply chain has reached a breaking point. Supply constraints, they appear without warning. Motor oil, memory chips, you name it. Demand shifts overnight. And by the time your teams know about it, the window to act has already closed. Meanwhile, the decisions that impact your customers, your suppliers, and quite frankly, your internal business partners, like sales and finance, quite literally your P&L, they're often being made with outdated and quite likely unreliable information. This is because for most manufacturers, you can look at yourselves and be truthful, the process is still a set of sequential handoffs with stale data and a cycle that's measured in days and weeks. When the truth is, your business needs to have the agility to decide and act on the changes in hours, if not minutes. Now, many of you in this room are being forced to be reactive, to make hurried calls in the face of uncertainty. But you know what? Some of the best operators in the world are putting in place processes and tools that systemically change how business is done.